Hello everyone. In this project we will learn how to add video transition to image in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. So let's take a look how to add video transition to image in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. Here is some JPEG image in our project panel, and I want to add this images to our project timeline. So let me add this images to our project timeline, and I want to add these images to our video track 1 bar. So I'm adding the images to our video track 1 bar, and let me add all these images to our timeline. Here we go. All the images are added to our project timeline. So let's take a look how to looks like before adding a video transition to this JPEG images. So let me play this JPEG images to our program monitor. I'm playing from here. You just seen there is nothing happening when a images is ending and starting and another image. There is nothing happening as because there are no video transition is added to this images. That's why there is nothing happening between these images when one images are ending and starting and another image. So right now we will add some video transition to this still images. To add video transition we have to select effect option, and from there video transitions options are available under effect tab. So I'm selecting video transition options, and here are different type of video transitions are available. You can take any kind of transition from here. So let me take a zoom transition. I want to add cross zoom video transition to our first image clip. I'm adding here, and you can take a look. The video transition is added to our first clip, and here is the symbol. Let me add wipe transition to our second clip. I want to add paint splatter to our second clip, and I'm adding spiral boxes to our third clips. It's our wipe transition. I'm adding some slide transition. I'm adding bend slide to our fourth transition, and I'm adding from dissolve transition. I want to add cross dissolve to our last image. So let me play these image clips in our timeline, and let's take a look how to look like after adding video transition to this image. So I'm playing from our program monitor. So let's take a look how it looks like.